If you've ever struggled with connecting or cleaning your dryer vent, this kit that I was gifted makes the whole process so much easier. This is a magnetic dryer vent connector kit designed for a quick and secure setup. The magnetic coupling lets you snap your dryer hose into place without having to wrestle with tight spaces behind the machine. It creates an airtight seal, which helps everything stay connected and aligned properly. One of the best parts is just how easy this was to install. This took us 10 minutes total. It's easy to disconnect when you need to clean your vent. No more hassle trying to pull things apart. You can quickly remove and reattach it as needed. It also comes with a vent cover for the outside and clamps for added support, so you've got everything you need in one kit. If you want something that saves time and simplifies maintenance, this really is a practical upgrade. We've really been enjoying it, and the best part is that when you push it back, you can hear it snap and you know that everything is securely in there. My husband says that this definitely was a nice upgrade to our dryer, and we have greatly been enjoying this product.